Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video we'll be exploring the exciting world of PC gaming and showing you how to get free games on your PC. As gamers, we all know how expensive it can be to keep up with the latest releases and updates. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to be sharing with you some of the best ways to get your hands on free games that are both legal and safe. We'll be covering everything from well-known websites to lesser-known resources that you can use to access free games. So, if you're ready to start gaming without breaking the bank, sit back, relax, and get ready to take notes, because we're about to show you how to get free games on your PC. We will show you 2 methods to get free games, so don't skip a single second. On the first number, we have a site named as Epic Games. To find it out, just open your browser, and in the search area type, Epic Games. Click on this first site, and you will be directed to their official website. To find free games, type games in the search area, and from the price tab choose free. Now here all the games are free of cost and you can download them for free. You can also download Epic Games Setup from this download button. To download a particular game, just click on the game. And here on this Get button. But remember, you can't download the games without creating an account. So create an account now and enjoy playing free games. Don't think to leave, because the second site is going to be more interesting than the first one. On Epic Games you can have free games in hundreds, but on the second one you are really going to have free games in thousands, so keep watching. The second site to download free games is Steam. To explore this site, type Steam in the search area of your browser. Move to this first link, and it will take you to their official site. Now click on the Install Steam option, and then install Steam. The setup will start downloading. So the setup has been downloaded, now it's time to install it. The installation process is so easy, you can do it at your own. Finally, the setup has been installed. As you open up the Steam, it will start downloading. This downloading may take some time. So to use it you need to create an account. You can sign in if you have an account, or if you haven't, just create it. If you face any problem while creating an account, feel free to ask me in the comment box. Now move to the Store tab, and from the Browse by Genre section click Free to Play. Here you will have all the free games available on Steam. You can also choose a gaming category according to your required game. To download a particular game, just click on the game, and here on Play Game. Simply customize these settings according to your need and click Next. And it will start installing. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information useful and that you'll be able to start gaming without spending a fortune. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks, And let us know in the comments if you have any other suggestions or questions. Also, if you know anyone else who's interested in gaming, feel free to share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.